Downloading your account data from Wells Fargo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and save your financial information. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account activity. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main menu. Click on it to view your account summary and select the specific account for which you want to download data. Step 3. Access download options. In the account details page, look for an option labeled Statements and Documents or Download. Click on this option to access the data download features. Step 4. Choose the data format. Select the format in which you want to download your account data. Common formats include CSV, PDF, or Excel. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Step 5. Download the data. After selecting the format, click on the Download button. Your account data will be saved to your device, allowing you to access it anytime. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from Wells Fargo. Make sure to keep your financial information secure after downloading.